Another video of me with no makeup, and I apologize. I did do my eyebrows because I didn't want to scare you. It's not that kind of video. I wanted to walk you through my morning routine. So in the shower, I used my Time Wise Repair foaming cleanser, really nice and gentle. And I'm gonna start with my lifting serum, the advanced lifting serum. Ooh, love this stuff. You just put 1 pump is all you need. And I apply it in certain areas. So I like it here. And I also like it on my neck. I have loose skin on my neck. So I apply it here and there. Then I move on to my deep wrinkle filler. This stuff, woo, you guys, if you haven't tried it, it's amazing. I've actually started using it on Steve, and I can see a huge difference on his forehead too. But I had this little frown line that was there permanently all the time. I don't know if you remember, but I showed a video about it before, and I've been applying this stuff for probably the last 8 months. Right there, a little bit here, and along my lines on my forehead. And sometimes I do it out here too on my little smile lines. Not very often, but I'm not as concerned about those. I feel like, you know, smile lines you get because you've been smiling, so that's all good. And then I just pat it in. And while that's soaking in, I do my eye cream. Now I already did my eye cream right as soon as I got out of the shower, but I'll show it to you. It has this little metal tip, which is cool to the touch, and it feels so good when you have little puffies here. It'll take that swelling right down. Next step, this is the day cream, so it has some SPF in it. And again, I love how it is packaged because you literally push down and that's the pump you need. So all of our products are airtight containers, and no light gets in either. And that's because some of the ingredients are very light sensitive and oxygen sensitive. So, and then you just apply that all over. Now, it looks extra greasy, but I promise it soaks in really fast. So no problem. In about 5 minutes, I'll be able to put my makeup on. Last step, moisturize your lips. You want to do this before you start your makeup especially, but I use the extra emollient night cream. That's what I use every day on my lips, and I just apply it there and kind of around the lip line as well, and just let that soak in. So that's my whole morning routine. I'm gonna let this soak in while I do something with my hair, and then I'll start on my makeup.